Hi everyone, I'm Pisanon John Paul.
And I Ogcom Angelica.
And we're gonna make mango float, and these are the ingredients. And you need 1 cream ensada, 1 pack of gray hams.
And 2 mangoes.
We prepare the cream ensada and transfer it to the bowl after.
And we prepare the mangoes and transfer it to the plate. And we prepare the grahams as well and transfer it to the plate.
After we open the cream ensada, we transfer it to the bowl. After we cut open the mango and we slice it into cubes. Then we scoop out the mango. After we scoop the mango, we stack up the cream ensada, mango, and the gray hams until the Tupperware is full. After we finish stacking the gray hams, we pour some cream ensada top of our gray hams, and after we put some gray ham crumbs to make it more appealing. After we finish the gray hams, we put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And this is the finishing product of our mango float. What do you rate it?
10 over 10.
Why?
Because so delicious and I love it.
That's all for this vlog. Thank you for watching.